5 Hard Truths About Decluttering. What no one talks about. Decluttering sounds easy, right? Just throw things away, and you're done. But the truth is, decluttering is much deeper than that. It's not just about making space. It's about facing emotions, habits, and even fears that hold you back. Today, I'm sharing 5 hard truths about decluttering that no one really talks about. If you've ever struggled with letting go, this is for you. 1. Decluttering can be emotionally draining. Decluttering isn't just about removing things. It's about facing your past and your emotions. That old gift, those childhood items, the expensive dress you never wore. They all hold memories, guilt, or regret. Decluttering forces you to make peace with the past. And that's not always easy. It can bring up sadness, nostalgia, and even anxiety about whether you're making the right choice. But remember this: keeping an item won't bring back the past. It only takes up space in your present. 2. Clutter will always try to sneak back in. Even after a successful declutter, clutter slowly creeps back in. Gifts, impulsive buys, things you once thought you needed. The hard truth: decluttering is not a one-time event. It's a habit you have to maintain. Without discipline, your home can go from organized to cluttered again in months. That's why it's important to have rules for what you bring into your space. Ask yourself before every purchase: do I truly need this? Will this add value to my life? Do I have space for it? 3. Storage solutions won't fix clutter. A common mistake people make? Thinking that buying more storage will solve clutter. Here's the truth. Buying more bins, shelves, or baskets often just organizes clutter instead of eliminating it. Clutter in fancy boxes is still clutter. Instead of focusing on more storage, focus on owning less. 4. Decluttering can be a lonely journey. Not everyone in your life will understand your decluttering journey. Family members may resist it. They might hold on to things you think should go. Friends may not get why you're downsizing. They may even tempt you into shopping again. Sentimental items may make it hard to let go. The truth is, decluttering can feel lonely, but it's your personal journey. You're doing this for your peace of mind, not for approval. If you feel unsupported, find a decluttering community, online groups, minimalism communities, or even friends who share your vision. 5. Decluttering won't instantly make you happy. Decluttering can bring a sense of relief, but it's not a magical solution to happiness. If your stress comes from overcommitment, decluttering won't fix your schedule. If your mind is cluttered, a clean home won't instantly bring mental clarity. If you're struggling emotionally, decluttering is just one step, not the whole solution. Decluttering creates space for joy, peace, and mindfulness, but you must still do the inner work to feel truly fulfilled. So, there you have it. The 5 hard truths about decluttering that no one talks about. Decluttering isn't just about tidying up. It's about facing emotions, changing habits, and learning to let go. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Which of these truths resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments.